Going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now I'm at the headquarters, man. Just wanted to give a salute to all my fans out there, to all my followers, all my welder brothers out there that's doing their thing, you know what I mean, throughout the U.S. Those who check in with me, man, just want to give a shout out. Say I recognize you, man. I appreciate you for taking some time out to go through the videos, share them. I'm glad that some of them are actually helping people and giving them answers that they need to a lot of the questions and different things that they're going through on their jobs or in their lives or whatever the situation may be. My goal is to just drop videos to inspire you, but also give you real life issues. I like to talk to you about what's going on my heart, or what I have experienced, or what I'm going through, or what I'm building. Just to kind of give you the growth. You know what I mean? That way you can actually see someone, man, he started here, he didn't give up, and this what happens. Because I think a lot of times we need to see that. We need to see someone from ground zero actually get there. You know, a lot of times when you see someone famous get there, you don't really know how they get there. You're just like, oh yeah, he's there. But it's good to watch the process. And I think it's more exciting to even watch the process because you was a part of the process and you actually seen it. So my goal is with Hog On is to spread it. It's to help others get their hog on. Help others be independent, or to be self-employed, or to be have an LLC, or to be foremen, or whatever it is that you want to be. You know what I mean? I want you to get your hog on with it and be happy. I'm out.